Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the point of view of your Valorant replay. So this is the new replay system. So right now, this is kind of like the first person mode. If you want to view yourself and the enemy, you can use this selection. And then here, you can kind of use the WASD to kind of move around. To fly, just press E here, and then you can kind of see it a little bit better. This replay is actually super cool. To press play, you're just going to press the space bar, and this is what it's going to look like. Okay, I'm gonna look at myself. Okay, this is the only shot that I got, which is like good. The rest is horrible, so I'm only going to show you guys this one. Slay. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Oh my gosh, that's me whiffing. Bye.